All right, we're gonna open up the DJI Mini 2 bundle, aerial camera bundle from Costco. All right, before we get started, I have to throw out a little disclaimer. I know nothing about this kind of stuff. Like, I have a friend who owns a drone. He lives in Oregon. He's got this girlfriend, Melissa. I don't think Melissa likes us hanging out very much, so I'm kind of have to go solo on this one. I got it at Costco, and I really don't want to do the walk of shame. Doing the math on how much it costs compared to how many minutes of video footage I'm going to get this, it's like $45 a minute. So if you get a chance, that subscribe button down there would be great. I only need 42,322 people to watch this video. You can help me out. Tell me how to use it. If I give this drone maybe like a 72-hour lifespan, probably gonna hurt myself. Probably gonna hurt the cat. Let's learn together. All right. DJI Mini 2 Costco bundle. I am not an expert, so I brought two experts along. I got my nieces. They're blonde and they both can read.
Yup, and I got a phone like that other 8-year-old out there.
All right, Jenna, go ahead and open it up.
Okay, I'll open it now. Where's the open thing? Okay.
Chad, you gonna read?
Yeah, she's gonna read.
All right.
How do you even open this? There's a spider. That's not a spider. Ew, then I want to read half of it. No.
Scissors weren't a good idea.
Okay, then go get a stupid knife.
Never have any good ideas. All right, Jenna, on the back of the box, it tells you what's in there. So when you pull the pieces out, you gotta say,
What? Okay. Let me open it. You're gonna read. Oh wow. So, this is a very large container with a lunch box. That's what it looks like. And whatever this thing is, okay? Whatever that. Okay. You want to open this? Or, okay.
you had one job.
Okay. Will she open? Camera. There we go.
Someone found my drone.
Yeah, it's a drone, nothing else. Oh. There's like 5 pockets on this thing.
Also, upsell.
Yeah, whatever he said. Okay. Okay. I think this is the drone. So these are the quick start guide that my lovely sister is going to be reading. And this, whatever, this is a piece of the drone. Or not drone, whatever. It looks like a tape.
Looks
From
like
back in the
looks like a
1800s.
remote control.
I know, that's what I said. It looks like a tape recorder. And then a charger. Okay, is there anything? Okay.
Paper.
So, okay. Yeah, there's no, it goes deeper. Yeah, there's nothing else in it. But then there's another pocket.
Is that 5 pockets?
Okay, well, it's almost 5 pockets. I don't know, it only zips that much. Okay, let's go. Stop!
There's nothing in there.
Yeah, there's nothing.
That's an empty pocket for your fishing lures.
There's a bunch of different languages on here, but
Just read the
Hey.
Stick to English.
Pick English.
English. There we go. Okay, just
check battery level. Press once.
stop laughing.
Power on and off.
No, you're supposed to follow. You're supposed to like take the thing here.
Okay, I'll take the drone. Whatever. This doesn't even look like a drone, but
We are here for you.
That's nice.
oh god. The lovely whatever drone. It looks like it has a handle on it.
Show them the handle.
It's not a handle, but it looks like a handle.
It's a propeller.
Yeah, whatever. Whatever that means, okay?
Fold the front arms forward.
Okay, really sure. Let me do this. This is so weird.
Unfold the rear arms and downwards.
Wow.
Oh, I thought she broke it. I thought she broke it.
Probably did.
Charge to activate the battery before first time use.
Okay, so that's when this thing comes in use. Okay, here, can you get the scissors from? Thank you. Here, get the scissors.
You can just pull it off, honey.
Oh. Okay.
These look like extra things if those break.
What you want? Okay, yeah, okay.
These are screws.
Which Scott probably might break because he's very rough. So I'm pretty sure he'll be using all of
This
those.
is
and
probably a
ordering
tool.
more.
Wait, did you say you were going to break the drone on the cat?
He probably is gonna break the drone on the cat. And then he's gonna put those things on and break it again, and then he's gonna have to order more on Amazon Prime. Okay, go. Read the instructions.
I do have Amazon Prime.
Only fly in environments that are clear of magnetic or radio interference, buildings, and other obstacles. Do not.
Can we get a charger, please? We need a charger.
Yeah! There we go. Go get a charger. Okay, keep going.
Do not fly above or near large crowds.
What?
Only fly below 4,000 meters above sea level. Only fly in moderate weather conditions with temperatures between 0 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius. Only fly in authorized areas. Refer to the regulations and flight restrictions section for more information. Be careful while flying indoors because the aircraft stabilization features may be interfered with.
Yeah, our
No!
charger is here.
Who wants to plug it in?
Me.
Is this not the charger?
That's the battery, dude.
That's so bad. Okay, give me this thing.
Don't use the charger.
Yeah, put,
And
yeah, put it in.
okay, we gotta put it in the on. No, you don't. You
There's two?
Comes with 2 batteries.
Yeah, for extra storage.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and
I'm gonna put
charge
this in.
this puppy up.
So ready? 3,
Come back tomorrow.
2. Stupid.
Officially charged up. I read the first page or 2 of the manual, so I think we're ready to go. You gotta press this button once to get the blink so your battery's charged. Second time will get you going.